Oh my god, hey, welcome. Get on in here. We're dyeing my hair today, all right? It's gonna be fun. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some like red hair dye that I did a while ago. I already did that. We also got some nasty-ish roots growing out and that are pretty gray. I mean, 25. That's fine. It's all that stress. I know. It's my fault. So we're gonna get rid of that and we're gonna go a little lighter maybe. Feeling like a margarita by the pool. It's gonna be so fun. That was too much. We're gonna do it. So let's go and see what we've got in store. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these 3 types of hair dye. We got light red brown, medium copper blonde, and dark red blonde. We got some nasty developer that I had from the last time I dyed it. As you can see, I tend to get it everywhere. I may or may not have ruined a wall behind me, but it's all good. Today, maybe I will ruin another wall. We'll see, okay? Yeah, let's just get going, huh? First, a good idea, if you don't want to dye, your hairline and shit, is you can use some of this Vaseline. Just scrub that shit on there, really shellac it. Get in there. All up in that hairline, girl, because you don't want to have a dyed hairline. And it will go away. I've definitely done it where I skip this step, but it's annoying for a little bit, and it's really hard to cover up with makeup, so it's just best to not do it in the first place, huh? Maybe? I don't know. Get it all nice and greasy, get some. Ugh. Okay. Now we're ready to start. Jesus. Fuck. I know I said I was gonna use that dark red blonde, but I opened it up and I don't know, like this, I don't know if you can see that, but that looks like really gross. I don't know if it expires. I've had it for a while and I tried to squeeze some of it out and it's really dark too. It didn't look like that last time I used it. So I guess I'm just gonna go with the medium copper blonde and the light red brown. I really hope that this does not look orange, but I am going to use more of the light red brown because I already know what that looks like and I know it looks poppin'. You also don't want to dye your hands because this will definitely dye your hands if you don't wear gloves. And that does take a while to come out. And it's not like the scalp. The scalp, it seems, or your face or whatever, gets rid of it faster. But your hands, they're gonna be red for a while if I did not wear gloves. I broke it. I've had these gloves and I've used them every time I've dyed my hair myself. And they finally died. I think I should still be able to use this. Maybe I'll wrap a hair tie around the bottom. Engineering. I don't have a degree in that. I wonder if you can guess. Let's get to some mixing, huh? That's way too big. Why did you get that? Look at these tubes. Now first we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the light red brown. Oh geez. Oh god. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, there we go. There they are, 2 tablespoons. All right, and now we're gonna go for our medium copper blonde. All right, 1 of those, please. Yes, thank you. I will take 1 of those. And then, get it in there. Nice, look at that, beautiful. All right, and then I'm gonna put 3 of these of the developer. I'll be back when I got them all in there. If I can get this thing on. And now, I'm gonna mix it up. As you can see, I've also sectioned out my hair. I don't have those big fancy clips that they have at the salon, but I figured if you need something, I've got hair ties. Ooh, this is chunky. It's okay, I'm just gonna keep mixing it and hope, something happens. How does that feel? It's like giving you the tingles. It's giving me something, for sure. This looks like gray. Hope that's not indicative of what color it's gonna be once it's on my head. It's really important to really get your hairline too. If I want to really Vaseline it up. Speaking of, I need to refresh my Vaseline. Oh no, actually it's pretty shiny. I think it's good. I'm gonna give my hair a little brush. Here goes nothing. Okay, so you really want to get up in here with these roots, all right? Those are important. The front roots is what everybody's gonna see. So you want to make sure, oh my god, and good thing we got that Vaseline on there. Vaseline? Vaseline. Not Vaseline. Ew. Yeah, Yeah, you kind of want to like go up with it, really get in there. Yes. And then you gotta come down and you gotta do the bottom, because when you lift your hair up and you put it up in like a ponytail, you don't want this part to be not the right color. I just got some on the floor. And we're gonna go down into my little part. I'll have you know that I've never been to cosmetology school. I just didn't really talk very much whenever I would get my hair dyed at the salon, and I would just watch and listen. So I've seen my hairdresser do it back in the day, so I think I get the general gist, you know? Like, no offense, I'm not professionally trained, so it's definitely not as good as someone who is. But I think I do all right. Oh, I'm gonna sell myself short. So then you're gonna wanna get like a little thin strip of hair like that. Yes, perfect. And then just kind of get it like that. And this is exceedingly hard. If you have really long hair, why did I let go of it? Oh, I go back that way. Yes. So important to get that hairline at every possible moment. You get that hairline every time you do a new section, okay? Hit it again. That's where you always miss spots, okay? It's where I always miss spots. I am sure that that is where you miss spots, okay? So listen. This hair is so tangled. I ran a brush through it. I don't know how this happens. I feel like this shit is like burning my eyes. Jesus Christ. It looks really good, right? That's long as shit, bruv. That is. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real good. This is quality. What about it isn't? That side is done. Looking sexy. Damn. I might have to get her number later. Fuck. I will be right back. I'm gonna finish the rest. All right, so my hair is all done. Everything's great. You know what I decided to do? I'm just gonna dye my eyebrows just a little bit. Just why not? Why not, right? Oh, that's a lot. Okay. I've got eyebrows. They're just very light. It's a lot of dye. All right, there we go. There's that one. That's something, right? I put like the Vaseline around my eyebrow shape, so hopefully we'll only dye the brows. But we shall see, won't we? Okay, there we go. And voila, I will be right back.
30 minutes later.
Hey. Oh my god, okay. I need to get this off of my face and my hair, so I'm gonna do that. All right. So my hair is clean. I really do think that my eyebrows got some good color. They are still very sparse, but that's just how they are. I've never plucked them. I've never waxed them. This is just who they are, okay? But we still love them, all right? The hair color is much darker than I was expecting. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be lighter, but it's not. I think it still looks nice. I think it's a nice deep red color, so I think it's gonna dry nicely, but I'll see ya when it's dry. All right, time for the big reveal. Oh my god, who is that? Oh my god. No, like, who is that? Oh my god, who is that? Who is that? Seriously though, it doesn't look that different, but I like it. It's way darker than I thought it was gonna be, but I don't know, give you a look. You know, I don't know, it's dark red. I thought it was gonna be more of a lighter, like a strawberry blondish thing. Was not that at all. Maybe I'll do half and half next time. I shall scheme some more and come back with new results next time. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna make more videos. I don't know, they could be like this, they could be completely different. Who knows? I don't know. My channel, my choice. Anyway, yeah, see ya.